Hey, what's going on YouTube? David here bringing you guys a really quick update video. I just got home from work and I got notified that I had another Tesla update. So I'm currently updating my car as we speak to 2022.28.1. It's really taking a long time to get this update downloaded, so I'm assuming this is a pretty big update. I'll talk to you guys once this finishes, or at least gets a little bit closer. I'm just sitting in my car patiently waiting for this thing to finish. By the way, I am working on my 6-month review video and that should be coming out in the next week or so stay tuned for that. If you guys are new to the channel, I do Tesla videos and I do some tech videos as well. I just talk about my Tesla ownership experience and all the goods and bads about it. Consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video if you thought it was helpful or entertaining. See you guys in a sec. Bye.
One eternity later.
Alright, it's been updating for like 20 minutes. It's still updating, so I'm gonna go inside of the house. I'm not gonna wait for this anymore. I'll be back when this finishes updating. Alright, so it's legit been like an hour. So for sure this is a pretty big update. It is literally still going. Oh, there we go. Theater mode. Full screen theater mode can now be minimized, allowing access to vehicle controls without video playback interruption. So you just have to tap the minimize button on the top left corner to toggle full screen mode. Let's play something in just a second. We'll see if we can do that. Next thing, 3 new games, even though I'm pretty sure we've had Cuphead before and I'm pretty sure there was Cat Quest before. So I think they're bringing some of the older games into the updates here because I'm pretty sure my girlfriend has these games already on her car and her car is a 2021 model. So I'm glad that they brought over some more games to the newer cars. So here are my games now available in my car. We got the same old Polytopia. We have Sonic the Hedgehog now. The good old Sudoku. The Skyforce game. Solitaire. We got Cat Quest, that's new, and we have Cuphead, that's new. Now you do get the option to uninstall the game. Cuphead was 1.1 gigs. Cat Quest does not give me the opportunity. Oh, Cat Quest looks like it's actually still installing. So Cat Quest is about 103 megabytes and Sonic is still downloading maybe. It was interesting to see that some of those games were still installing. But yeah, let's test out minimizing for theater mode. Let's see if we can get something else going. So for example, let's check out Morbius. So if you were watching this movie on your car, now you can have the option here to tap and minimize, and you can do something else on your car. For example, I can open my trunk. For example, I can open my trunk. For example, I can open my trunk while I'm watching my Morbius. So I think that's totally cool that now we can simply click on the minimize and go about our day and do other things while we are watching our movie. Totally cool. I love the fact that we can now do this versus before where we had to exit out of the movie or YouTube and whatever it is, come out and do a control and then go back in and lose our place in the movie. As you guys can see from how dark it is outside already, this update took a very, very long time. So thumbs up for the update. Please stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you thought this video was helpful, or at least if you thought it was entertaining. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Again, my 6-month review video is coming out shortly, so stay tuned for that. And again, my name is David, signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.